of why creating your own community in 2026 is one of the smartest strategic moves you can make for your business and for your future freedom. My name is Dan Bellin. I'm a former Marine, a former monk, and a founder of the Wealth Academy community. And I want to talk to you today from a place of honesty, clarity, and real experience, because I'm not somebody who built a massive community 10 years ago and is now teaching theory. I'm building this right now in real time alongside the people I serve every single day. And that's what makes this message so real to me. Let's start with this. Social media is loud. Everybody is posting, everybody is selling, everybody is fighting for attention. And even when you say something meaningful, something valuable, something that could genuinely help somebody, it disappears the second they scroll past it. Not because your message wasn't powerful, but because the environment was never designed for deep connection. Social media is built for speed. It's built to keep people moving. And because of that, your message can easily get lost in the noise. But community changes everything. A community gives you your own environment, your own space, a place where your message doesn't immediately disappear, a place where people can actually connect with you, learn from you, ask questions, and build relationships with each other. And that is the difference between somebody casually scrolling past your content and somebody staying connected to you for years. Inside a real community, people don't just get to hear your message. They see other people responding to it. They see conversations happening. They see engagement. They see support. They see momentum. And that momentum creates trust. Because when somebody joins a community and sees people helping each other, growing together, and genuinely connecting, they begin to feel like they're part of something meaningful, and they are. They feel like they belong, and they do. And belonging is one of the strongest forces in human psychology. People stay where they feel supported, cared for, and loved. People buy from people they feel connected to, people that they know, like, and trust, or aspire to be like. And here's another thing most people never talk about. Your community becomes your content engine. When you pay attention inside your community, people tell you exactly what they're struggling with. They tell you what questions they have. They tell you what they need help with. And when you listen to that, you never run out of content ideas because your audience is literally telling you what to create. That makes your content more relevant, more impactful, and far more effective. Another reason community matters so much is leverage. You can post value, answer questions, go live, share insights, and then go live your actual life. Spend time with family, go to the gym, take a break, go outside. And while you're doing that, your community continues building momentum. People connect with each other. They support each other. Conversations continue happening. Your business keeps moving even when you're not glued to your phone. That is real freedom. And honestly, I'll share something personal with you. I've gone through seasons in my life where I had to completely rebuild myself mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. And I know what it feels like to start over. And when I look back at the biggest transformations in my life, every single one happened because of the environment of the people around me. Every single one. Whether it was the Marines or living in the temple, I was shaped by the communities I was part of. Community creates identity. And when I realized I could bring that same energy into the online world, everything changed for me. That's why I created this community, not for ego, not for vanity, but to create a place where people could grow together, support each other, and build something meaningful together. And here's the truth. Your community does not need to be massive. It just needs to be real. It needs to be intentional. A small group of engaged people who genuinely care will outperform a massive disconnected audience every single time. Depth matters more than width. Connection matters more than attention. Purpose matters more than noise. If you truly want to build long-term income in 2026 and beyond, focus more on helping people than chasing money. Because when you genuinely care about people, they feel it. When you help people, they remember it. And when you create a real space for them, they begin to trust you. And trust is what builds sustainable business. So if you want to experience what a real online community actually feels like, looks like, then the link is in the description. You can join my free community, and you can also create your own free community. And come see how everything is structured. Look around, connect with people, use it as inspiration for your own business and your own future community, which I highly recommend you start as soon as possible. And in part 3, we're going to talk about how to turn your community into a real engine for freedom and recurring income without sacrificing your values, your peace, or your time. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and God bless.